Hey y'all, what's up with that? And I'm back on better like never before. And today's video is this 36-inch long braided wig. This is my first time doing any type of full lace wig, any type of braided wig. They definitely tested my skill and tested my comfort zone, but I think I nailed it, or at least did a good job. I keep moving my baby hair every time I flip my hair, and it's like blowing me. Yeah, but these are like super duper cute. So if y'all gonna go shop these braids, the link will be in my bio. These are from Amazon, and yeah, it wasn't too much. Let me actually pull up my Amazon order really quick. This wig came to $169, but it's a $20 off coupon, and it say overnight shipping between 7 a.m. and 11 a.m. It's $8.29 at night, so that's not bad. So I got Prime. I don't know about y'all, so I got my wig pretty quick. This wig was sent to me, so I don't want to confuse y'all, nothing like that. Let me see. So this is by YOUTHFEE. The length is 36 inches. 36-inch wig. Full HD lace braided wig for women's. Not listed. It looks like this. This is, I'll put a screenshot. Yeah, so far so good. It is a little itchy, but I think mostly like all braiding hair is like that until you dip it in hot water. So when I take my super hot shower, I'm gonna let my braids get wet. Hopefully I won't be too tired so I can let them air dry. But this is how they looking. My part is super slick. This looks like a fresh, you know. So yeah, make sure y'all definitely let me know how y'all feel about this wig. And so yeah, they definitely tested me. So this is from Youthful, and not Youthful, YOUTHFEE store from Amazon, and I'm gonna show y'all how to get this hair. So if y'all want to get this look, make sure y'all definitely stay tuned. So y'all, had a quick weave, and I just pulled this shit out because I got this wig to review. So this is the wig. She's a braided wig. Don't remember if there was some you know, like the length specified. I don't think it was. I'm gonna ask you today. I don't think the length was specified. So this is what the wig looked like. Like, she's gorge. I insert some clips to where I was like, you know, showing her. Yeah, so she's super cute. This is how long she is. So yeah, this is her. Don't make this quick. This is just the braided wig. Glue down. My hair keep coming out, so hopefully she don't look too bad. Y'all know I use my little palette, so I just put it all over my hair. I'm gonna go get a foundation brush so that we can put some foundation on the inside, and then I need like a little precision brush so we could go through the part. This all throughout the lace. So let's see. So a little bit about this wig. I believe it's full lace. Yeah, this is considered full lace. Like, this is lace all the way through and through. This is the entire cap. And yeah, this is a full lace. Yeah, it's a little itchy, so, but this is full lace. I got the baby hairs all the way around. This is how the back look. Not too bad. I really should glue the back down, but I don't really know how. So we're not even gonna fool with that. But yes, I do. I love this. This is the band, and it got like the little non-slip grips on it. So I'm excited to see how this looks on. So let's just get this thing on. Okay. This is definitely up my alley because I do not like to wear braids, like leave them in my head. Okay, and she long. She's long. She's long. So let's get to gluing this thing on, shall we? Erica J once told me, if your wig's not sticking, it's because your glue isn't wide enough. And I think that's totally true. So, a wide layer of glue. Just pretty much need to put on an elastic band. You know, let her sit so that she can melt, and we can do what needs to be done for this wig. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit lighter of a sorry, I can't do stuff in top. We're gonna go in with something a little bit lighter, one of the lighter shades in my foundation palette. It's giving really natural already. And then real quick before I do my baby hairs, I'm gonna do my part. Y'all know it ain't me if I don't my part. So and then, you know, even though this is so dirty, I'm scared. Okay, I ain't gonna go that far back because I'm gonna fuck it up. But this is pretty precise. So let's take this off and do the baby hair. I ain't mad at it. Too much. So I'm gonna do the other side and then I'm gonna come back. Okay. So, you know, putting mousse on your braids always help, you know, flatten them and get them right where you need them. So just gonna mousse my braids up. But like, I'm probably never gonna sit in somebody's chair for 8 hours again. I'll lie, because I do like really small braids. But anytime I'm craving braids, I'm definitely gonna go with this one, because like, it's a no-brainer. It was so easy. This is my first time installing a full lace wig, so yeah, I'm fucking with this. So just mousse my braids. I'm fucking with it. So y'all, this is the finished look. I love them. I'm always want to wear my braids like flipped over, so like, you can't beat it. So if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, all that good, and I'll definitely see you all in the next video, period.